everyone, welcome back to Artificial Imagination. Did you catch those images? Unbelievable, right? They look super realistic. Today I'm excited to introduce you to a brand new tool in the AI world, Recraft AI. This text-to-image generator is making waves because it creates images that look like real life, unlike a lot of other generators out there. To get started, head over to the Recraft AI website. Don't worry, I'll link it in the description for you. Once there, sign in with your credentials and bam! You're ready to dive in. Let's walk through creating our first image. Start a new project, select Image, and get ready to be amazed. You'll have a ton of options for styles and generation models, so you can customize each image exactly to your taste. Want a dark, moody tone? Or maybe something bright and vibrant? You've got it. One of the best parts? You can add negative prompts to fine-tune the image's vibe and choose the perfect color profile from the color palette. You'll also see a slider to set your preferred aspect ratio, making it easy to tailor images for any platform. And if you're aiming for some creative variety, there's even an option to toggle image diversity. Once you're ready, just enter your text prompt and let the magic happen. Watching the image come to life is incredible. It's so realistic, you'll almost think it's a photo. And from there, you can keep tweaking it with all the customization options you see on screen to make it truly unique. So go ahead, explore, create, and make those images yours. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, don't forget to hit like, share it with friends, and of course, subscribe for more AI-powered tools and tips. And if you've got any questions, just drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Happy creating and see you in the next video.